In today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva on your MacBook to create print-on-demand t-shirt designs that are ready to sell. First, open your browser on your MacBook and go to canva.com. Log into your account, and once you're on the home page, click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. In the search bar, type t-shirt and select the t-shirt template option. This ensures your canvas is already set to proper print dimensions, so your design won't come out stretched or low quality. Once the template opens, browse through the layout options and choose one that matches the vibe you're going for. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can fully customize it. Click on any text to change the wording, adjust the font style, or resize it. For POD designs, bold and simple typography often works best because it prints clearly and is easy to read from a distance. Next, head to the Elements tab on the left side. Search for graphics, icons, or illustrations that match your niche. You can layer elements, change their colors, and reposition them until your design feels balanced. Keep your layout centered and avoid placing important graphics too close to the edges, since printers may crop slightly. Stick to high contrast colors that pop on fabric. If you're designing for dark shirts, preview your design against a dark background in Canva to see how it will look in real life. When your design is finished, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose PDF print as the file type. If you have Canva Pro, select CMYK color for better print accuracy. This helps your colors come out more vibrant when printed. And that's it! You've just created a print-on-demand t-shirt design using Canva on your MacBook, ready to upload to your pod platform and start selling.